Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the TV can accept Bluetooth audio and that your AirPods Pro are discoverable. Open the AirPods case and hold the setup button until the LED flashes white. This tells the headphones to broadcast a pairing signal. On the TV, go to Settings, then Sound or Connections, depending on model, so you're ready to search. Do this now because initiating both device broadcasts at the same time reduces discovery time and avoids accidental connections. Once done, navigate the TV's Bluetooth or sound output menu and start a device scan. You will see AirPods Pro appear as a selectable device. Select them, and the TV will attempt to pair. Make sure to watch the TV prompts and confirm any permissions. Some models require you to explicitly switch the audio output to the newly paired headset. If pairing stalls, cancel the scan and retry after toggling Bluetooth off and back on, because a fresh scan clears stale device caches. Finish by playing a short video or sound to confirm audio routes to the AirPods Pro and adjust volume on both devices so levels match. If you don't hear audio, make sure the TV's output is set to the AirPods and not TV speakers, and try toggling Bluetooth again. If the TV lacks native Bluetooth audio support, use a low-latency Bluetooth transmitter on the optical or headphone jack. Troubleshooting tip: if pairing repeatedly fails, reset the AirPods and remove them from the TV's paired list, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.